Today, let's talk about manifesting. Let's wake you up to the powers of creation to get you in the mode for manifesting this week. Let's set you up for waking up and creating a week that you want to experience. So today we're going to just briefly talk about the manifesting triad. This is a lot of education put together and coming up with these three moving pieces that you need in order to manifest. The first thing you need is belief. You need to believe in the thing that you are manifesting. Not only believe in the thing, believe that it's possible, but more importantly, believe that it's possible for you. If you are making $20,000 a year and you want to make $1 million a year, that gap, that jump may be too big, not quite believable. Your ego could feed it. Your ego could say, well, yeah, I could make $1 million in a month. I could make $1 million and I can do anything I want. Jen says I'm a creator. Okay, right. That's your ego. But do you really believe it? Do you really wholeheartedly in your energy, are you able to align with it? If you're not able to align with it, you're not going to attract it. This is the number one reason people are not able to manifest consistently, is because they don't believe in the thing that they're trying to create. The next is you must have focus. In a world filled with distraction and lack of concentration, it is hard to do, but focused energy creates. Focused energy is powerful. Take a laser beam. You can shine the light and diffuse the light and you can light up a room. Or you could focus that light and you could cut things with it, like metal. If you have that focused attention, you can create the thing that you want. The next part, the last part in this manifesting triad, is the emotion. You need the energy to fuel the two things together. You need the energy to power the manifesting. So in this case, you need emotion. If you're just talking with your friends, I'm going to manifest $1 million, I have this great business, and $1 million and $1 million, you don't have a lot of energy behind it. You could yell it, and that's kind of energy, but you need to feel it, which is why you're always hearing in manifesting and meditation is to visualize the thing as complete. That creates this emotional response in the body that is joy, that is completeness, that it's already done, it's confidence, and the list goes on and on. That is the energy that is going to help to complete the manifesting process. Once those pieces are complete and the universe starts to come to your aid, you have the belief that you can achieve the thing, you have the focus on the thing that you want to achieve, and you have the emotion around it. The next couple of things that are now the work to do on the inside of this triad is taking inspired action, which I can tell you right now, you have to do. The thing is, I don't even have to tell you, because once those pieces are in place, you will already be inspired. You won't be able to stop the inspiration. I find myself like, I'm thinking in my mind, I'm like, okay, I need to record a podcast, and I'll just be pacing and talking about it and going throughout my day. And the next thing I know, I'm plugging in my headphones and pacing in the living room and recording an inspirational podcast. Like, I couldn't stop the inspired action. I was in alignment with doing it. I was focused on getting it done. It was a desire. It was something I could believe. And then all of a sudden, I just found myself doing it. It was very easy. It was in the flow. If you are not in the flow with the action, if you are forcing or pushing, then the emotion, the emotional alignment, and or the belief is out. It's out of alignment. You're not forming the perfect triangle. The last thing that is the work that's on the inside of the triangle is faith, knowing that it's coming. Just like when you order food in a restaurant. You order it, you place your order, you give him all the specialties about it, he walks away, and you have faith that it's coming to you and it's going to be in the order in which you received it. If you believe that you always order things and they always get it wrong, your belief is off. You will not create the thing that you want. So this is your homework for the week, is to be practicing manifesting, to be practicing putting these pieces into place. Take your desire. Do you believe that you can have your desire? If you don't, come back a little bit on the desire. Maybe it's not $1 million you reach for. Maybe it's $30,000 that you reach for. Maybe it's not $10,000 a month. Maybe it's $4,000 a month, something that feels achievable with a little bit of a stretch that inspires you and not something that's impossible. Then focus your attention on it. Spend time with it in your journal or a vision board or talking about it with friends. You spend that focused energy. You should feel good when you talk about it. That's the belief and the focus together. Then fuel it. Add gas to the fire. Add the gas to the tank. Make sure that you are adding positive, reinforced emotion when you are going into your workshop and focusing on this desire that you want. That's your homework for the day. Come over to Lady Rising and share with us your manifesting for the week.